Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. If you already have a collection of plants, even without smart hydroponic pots, this sensor can help you better understand them. Weighing just 20 grams, this sensor monitors light, temperature, soil moisture, and nutrient saturation. The data is sent to a free Android or iOS app, which uses the camera to identify the plants and provides care advice. For flexible placement, the pot height should be 10 to 15 centimeters. Rechargeable batteries are included, with a lifespan of 2 years. The sensors can be purchased individually or as part of a kit that includes a hub for easy connection to your Wi-Fi network. The price for a single sensor is $43. Auto. According to the creators of this irrigation system, the future of lawn care has arrived. They claim that it provides more relaxation, reduces manual labor, and can potentially save around $2,000 on water equipment and other expenses over an 8-month period. The system offers quick installation within minutes and can be controlled directly from a smartphone using a water hose and a Wi-Fi connection. With this system, users can configure watering zones through an app, and it even adjusts automatically to the weather. Additionally, there is an option to include specialized units for fertilization, insect repellency, and air deodorization. Each unit covers a radius of 9 meters, and multiple units can work together or alternate based on water pressure. Tomcat Mole Trap. A mole has the ability to create tunnels up to 50 meters long in a day, which can cause inconvenience for landowners. Fortunately, there are now more affordable traps available for catching moles. This particular trap, equipped with a spring mechanism, is priced at just $17. Before setting up the trap, buyers are advised to locate the active tunnels created by the moles. The sellers claim that this trap is faster, safer, and easier to use compared to similar products. It is said to be effective in all types of soil and can be easily deactivated with a special button, allowing it to be relocated to another area on the property. According to the manufacturer, this system is suitable for all trees with a trunk diameter of 5 centimeters or more. The ring design allows for slight movement, promoting the growth of stronger roots. TMO Pro. Once the moles have been successfully removed, the overall appearance of land can be improved by planting new trees. This device not only attracts enthusiasts, but also professionals like landscapers. To ensure the trees thrive in their new surroundings, they require support. This telescoping system offers adjustable lengths ranging from 25 to 38 centimeters and features a padded ring to protect the trunk. LetPot Smart Modular Planter. Many city residents have a desire to adorn their apartments with plants, but lack the time and energy for plant care. Fortunately, there is a solution available. This agricultural technology system caters to both hydroponics and traditional ground planting. The pots are eco-friendly, made from recyclable food-grade polymer, and can be easily joined and separated with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility. The system can be controlled from a smartphone. The basic version of the system has a 16 filter capacity, providing enough space for 30 to 45 days of automatic watering. Additionally, features like solar panels and lighting are also available. The basic kit, priced at $229, includes 6 pots for traditional planting and 6 pots for hydroponics. Rack Assassin Tool Caddy. When working in the garden and juggling multiple tools like rakes, shovels, and hoses, it can be challenging. Thankfully, the Root Assassin team has developed a tool caddy that allows you to carry up to 5 tools with just one hand. The tool caddy can be easily installed on the wall and features a convenient strap instead of a handle. The set also includes interchangeable clips to accommodate different handle thicknesses. Weighing 2.3 kilograms, this practical tool caddy is available for $40. Gardena ClickUp. Introducing a clever and simple system from Germany, a handle equipped with multiple attachments. Whether you want to spruce up your garden, create a romantic atmosphere with candles, or observe nature with a bird feeder and insect hotel, this system has you covered. It can be installed and disassembled without the need for tools, thanks to the ClickUp system that ensures effortless and secure attachment. Moreover, the special balcony clamp allows for easy mounting on both round and square balcony railings. The materials used are resistant to rain and UV rays. The price for the handle is $35, while the insect hotel costs $55. Reencle. Experts have recently calculated that U.S. residents discard an astonishing amount of waste annually, exceeding 250 million tons. Greenpeace experts have expressed concerns about irresponsible waste management practices by U.S. authorities. Fortunately, a portion of this waste can now be recycled at home with the help of a smart garbage can. This innovative device operates like a stomach, utilizing special bacteria to break down the contents of the bin into compost within a time frame of 2 to 24 hours. It can handle composting up to 1 kilogram of food scraps daily and remains silent and odorless due to its triple filter system. Aquor. The creators of the Aquor system are dedicated to making outdoor water access convenient. They emphasize that existing solutions often result in annual leaks of approximately 10,000 liters, leading to costly repairs. Their solution is a simple upgrade. The valve remains securely locked by water pressure when closed, and a special connector is required to open it, providing a safer and simpler alternative to traditional faucets. Additionally, the system can be installed in just 1 hour and is designed to withstand freezing temperatures as low as -34 degrees Celsius. The primary material used is 316L steel, commonly used in offshore structures and chemical containers, while the connectors are made from durable Delrin polymer, frequently utilized in the automotive industry. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.